Okay, chemical kinetics. It's a 7 marks, um, total of 7 marks of questions will be asked from chemical kinetics. In class 12 की chemistry की chapter number 3 chemical kinetics. That's the that's the general reaction number the A B react C and D form and A B C stoichiometric constants have the reactions balance those mamang coefficients stoichiometric coefficient now see a general reaction rate expressions and rate equation or rate laws by the reaction rate reaction cam to reactor products cam to react reactants cam to reactor the products cam to form now this side left side in the reactants the right side in the products reactants in the cam to reactor again products cam to form the rate of the reaction so the rate of the rate of disappearance of the reactant or the rate of appearance of the product the rate hay taradi अमरोंदा हैगा माई concentration दो माजे क्या म्यान माई याम में जान दो क्या म्यान थुना हंडरी नटर्स ने क्या थुना हिंदल ये have दुनिया per unit time दा per unit time में बदी 1 second ने खांग दिया देखी 1 minute ने खांग दे 1 hour ने खांग दे so rate of variation is what it is the change in the concentration of the reactant or the change in concentration of the product obviously a reactant की my concentration हंडर तो ने मागे ना concentration है तो मासुम form दो तो ना so rate is a change. Rate is a change in the concentration of the reactant or the change in the concentration of the product. The rate at which the concentration of the reactant decreases or the rate at which the concentration of the product increases. So the per unit time that have the per second per minute per hour. CG rate is proportional to the concentration of CG. Third because concentration of A and concentration of the B to the power of X and Y. X, Y is something. C is expressions but see it C is expression quite to determine how to see it's not by see chemical reactions by looking at the balanced chemical equation C even at the C expressions but the C experimentally even is experimental with the reaction with all the experimental with the data the no than the important a proportional sign is equal to 1 there should be a constant but C constant take over the rate constant C particular reaction C rate constant the C is the EVAM C is the C my molar concentration of the reactants never I think moles per liter the molar concentration gas organa gas the pressure the measure the atmosphere the bar don't have to my concentrations the rate of reactions see any reactants the product the form the times suppose time that T1 or the pound time at T2 whatever the T2 minus 1 delta T rate time taken to reactant the product on Maganda. This is change in concentration of reactants in the concentration of the reactants, the concentration R1 and then the R2 to never change the R2 minus R1. Similarly, change in concentration of the product the P2 minus P1. So initial concentration of the product and it's in a final concentration of the product. Initially the R1 the yam R2 the yam the minus negative P1 the initially 0 the something minus 0 the something that's positive change in concentration of products. Therefore the average rate of reaction with average reactions any momental reaction reactants of 100 average rate of reaction rate of reaction average minus of change in concentration of the reactant per unit time नत्रगना change concentration of product per unit time sida minus negative sign si kai happy nam tong ko negative stigi ska do kana negative ta nya rate of variation se mathematical positive ta ga da c negative c positive negative ta ni na ma negative half ta ga negative matlab negative positive ta na se aduna ne ma negative half is see average rate of variation in terms of product na change in concentration of the product with respect to time see there the see delta t the p ever have it tends to zero the instant second amount the microsecond amount the and I was the rate of variation ka kya hone puto instant second amount sina pura average ni instantaneous rate of variation ka puto and r instantaneous y ni minus of dr by deta instant id yam tuna a small amount of time the concentration of rate can change together aduna sina command no together dr by dt another dp by dt negative of dr by dt negative of dp by dt in short so I bracket है bracket कॉल करना okay that is in the average rate of variation there instance is not d ला कर dr by dt or dp by dt